Okay guys, I'm going to start this off with a very serious question. What would look better, so I know for next time? This look like this? Or this look with these glasses? Let me know. Comment down below. Because I don't know which is cuter. I don't know. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany, and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my FABFITFUN unboxing, as you can also probably tell from the FABFITFUN box right behind me was what that translated to, by the way. FABFITFUN, in case you do not know, is a seasonal subscription service where it's 4 times a year, and I believe it's $49.99. Some people have codes. I don't believe I have a code, but I will link some people down below where they talk about it, where you can get $10 off your first box, so it would make it $39.99. I don't think I have one, but I will link something down below in case you're curious to sign up and want a discount. It'll be down there for you, along with like a link just straight there if you don't want to use anyone's code and you just want to buy it. It'll be down below. So you pay the $49.99 once every season. It gets taken out of your account, and then they send you a box like this, and it's usually about $200 or more worth of product in lifestyle and beauty, fitness, all that jazz. It's a collective, lots of different things in it, and it's a pretty cool one. I'm a fan of it, so I thought I would unbox it for you today. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, sometimes twice a week, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which we are so close, then I will be doing a giveaway, because apparently I have to have 1,000 subscribers to be relevant on YouTube now. I'm sure you've heard, if you watch videos, that they've changed all the rules, so subscribe, help a girl out, that'd be great. If you would like to follow me on any other of my social media, If you would like to follow me on any of my other social media, I'll put on the screen here. Twitter and my makeup Instagram is the same as my YouTube. It is Bratterstein. And then if you are interested in fitness, it is Fatterstein, and that's where I post fitness videos every week and workout stuff and stuff like that. And now let's just go ahead and get into this. I think you want to see me get into this box. Would you want to see me get into the box? If you would like to know what I got in this season's beautiful FABFITFUN box, just keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so first we have the magazine here. I've only gotten a couple of these boxes, so I'm still getting used to it. I think this is like my 3rd one. Check me if I'm wrong if you've been watching, but I'm very excited. So it comes each month with this magazine in here, and inside the magazine it tells you what you got and prices. I'm not going to go through it right now because I have not seen what's in here, and apparently it's great. My mom texted me and she was like, did you get it yet? What color did you get of this? I was like, I don't know, I haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to film eventually, damn it. But I like to do it on camera because I know that when I get subscriptions, I like spoilers. I like to see what's coming and before I get it, so that's why I do this, so that in case you haven't gotten yours yet, you can watch this and be like, oh shit, I'm so excited. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So let's go. Okay, let's rip this little strawberry sticker, which is precious. That's just all that. So she is sufficiently stuffed, it seems, and I don't know why, but this Pier 1 box has got me very interested. So let's go ahead and see what this is. And I'll get this ready so that I can read it to you and let you know exactly what it is, and not just what I think it might be. Okay, let's see what she is. Ooh, okay. Look at how, is the camera messing this up? Look at that. Oh, and it's glass. Okay. So this is a Pier 1 marble ring dish. It's made out of glass. It's got a nice little gold rim here. It's super cute, and it retails for $14.99. It's just so that you can like set it and put all your rings in it, like for when you do your dishes and stuff. This for me is extremely helpful because, comment down below if you can relate, but I have the lids to Bath & Body Works candles all over my house, just full of knickknacks, and now I could be classy with my knickknack holding. So I am into this. Yeah? Yeah, that's cute. That's very cute. The next thing I see is this little guy here, wrapped up pretty nicely. Let's see what it is. Oh, they got it in there. Okay. Oh my goodness, dude, it's one of those little things. So this is a Foreo Luna Fofo. That doesn't even sound like a real thing. Let me know if I said that wrong, because that sounds super fake and not like a thing, but this retails for $89. It's one of those little like things that you put your face wash on and you bzzz, you know, all over your face, that all the real life beauty YouTubers use. I've seen these all over the internet, but I've never tried them. I always just old school finger wash it. So yeah, it's just one of those things. You put the face wash on and you use it, and it's supposed to like really deep cleanse your skin. Deep clean your skin. Foreo Luna Fofo. The next thing I am seeing is this guy here. Okay, so this is the COOLA Sport Classic Sunscreen. Okay, so it is a SPF 50. It says it's a white tea moisturizer. It does say vegan on the side. It doesn't say cruelty free, so check the description box. I will put all the stuff that is or is not cruelty free in case that is important to you, because that is important to me. And so it's just like an SPF 50 that you can put on, which is dope because it is super hot. And if you watch my last video, you know that I just had a gnarly sunburn because I burn like a little bitch and it's no good. So I am happy to have this, assuming that it is cruelty free. I think this is a pretty cool thing for us to get in the box for summer. And this retails for $32. Everything they give you is always so expensive. It's like stuff that I don't know about you, but I would not go out and buy on my own. So to spend the 50 and get it all in one box, I'm like, yes. Okay, so now we're on to the next product here. It's like the never-ending box. It's like one of the stocking, and you keep pulling it, and then there's all these things in it, and I don't think that made sense. That might get cropped out. This is another one that's going to give me a trouble to say. So this is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Okay, so this is a cleansing, This is an exfoliating cleanser for your skin to leave you with bright, fresh skin. I don't know if Vasanti, yes I do. It's got the bunny, so we're all good. Cruelty-free and an exfoliator. I'm all about that. I have been lately using chemical exfoliators. I've got the Drunk Elephant one, but that does not mean that I'm not down with like a regular old exfoliator, because I definitely am. So I'm happy to have this. And this retails for $29. So again, that's not cheap. That's exciting to have. Okay, next is this guy right here. This tub. Okay, so this here is the Jaboneria Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. Ugh, that's a mouthful. That's what she said. So this is supposed to be for your body. It's something that you can put on that's going to soften you and refresh you and clean out your pores. It says that it exfoliates, hydrates, and conditions all in once. So that's pretty cool. I will again put down below if it's cruelty free, but if it is, that seems like a pretty cool thing to have, because I don't know about you, but like my face skincare, I'm like 100 into it. My body skincare, you know, it's back burner just a bit. So this could be something nice to incorporate to your routine if you got it. Yes, yes, yes. And that retails for $48. So that is like some bougie stuff. So you can put it on and you can feel super fancy about yourself and feel like you're not sitting on the floor in your apartment filming videos. You know what I mean? Like you're at a desk in a studio, like a real life adult. The next thing I see in here is a pretty dope one, actually. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow. I don't know if you've seen my video. I'll link it up here if you haven't. But one of my like most popular videos ever was when I reviewed the Tarteist Pro Glow to Go, which is the tiny version of this one. It's like a half size, but I am familiar with this. Apparently this is like a dope contour thing. The little one was great, but I didn't want to splurge on the high priced one because this thing is expensive. This retails for $45. So it is not a cheap product, and this is what it looks like inside. Let me just, and these fold back, which is dope. It's got the contour and the highlight shades, bronzers all in one. It's a pretty cool thing to have. Let me go like that so I don't blind you. But Tarte is cruelty free. It smells like chocolate. If you would like a standalone video on this, please comment down below and let me know, because I'd be happy to do it. And Tarte's a pretty good brand to be getting in this. I am a fan of Tarte, so I'm happy to have this. Yes, I am. Thank you. Okay, it looks like we only got 2 more things to go, guys. We're getting there. We are getting there. So there is this guy right here that you can't see because it's hidden, but I can see because I got eyes on this box, like a hawk. Okay, so this here is the Orlando Pita Plang Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. Why does everything have to have the most complicated name ever? It says this is the ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. I wonder what those 10 benefits are. Do you tell us? Do we get to find out? There's a list on the back. I'm not going to read it all. If you get this, you'll see. You'll see, or comment down below if you really want to know, and I'll type it out for you. But to save me the reading, I'm not going to do it. Sorry. But anyways, this is a heat protectant spray for your hair, and it retails for $34. That's pretty expensive for heat protectant, but I have become a strong believer in heat protectants. I never used them in high school, which is probably why I had a fried off mullet. No lies. I choppy, short, very seen, fried up mullet from bleaching and straightening and never using heat protector. So if you don't use one, this is going to be great for you. Just spray it in your hair when it's damp and then blow dry and straighten your hair. It will be a lifesaver. I'm telling you. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, and the last one we have in here, I saw a spoiler on and I am so excited. Let me open it up. Okay, so this here is a Yumi Kim makeup train case. I don't know what a makeup train case is, but it's a makeup bag, right? That's what it is. This is so convenient for me right now. We did have the option of this one or a black one, but it was left up, you know, to odds on which one you got. Would I have preferred black? Of course, that's who I am as a person. I'm like a dark soul, if you will. But this is beautiful. I don't mind florals. This is very pretty. And honestly, I was just about to buy this makeup bag off Sephora, and I was talking to my husband and I was like, $50 on a makeup bag is a bit much, right? Like I could do without, you know, and he helps me not overspend on dumb shit. So I was like, okay, I'll just use all my pouches from Ipsy and take like 5 at once. And then I saw we were getting this and I was like, this is awesome, because this looks like pretty close to what I'll need if I'm gonna go overnight somewhere. You know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna lie with you, I take a lot of makeup, but this looks like it could fit a decent size eyeshadow palette in it, which is one that I typically have to like leave loose in my bag because it doesn't fit into my pouches. And it looks like I'll be able to hold my brushes and everything at once. This looks like a day makeup bag for me. I know that is extra, and if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you're gonna be like, really? That's for a day? I know, I get it, but how perfect is this for somebody who needs a to-go makeup bag that holds everything? An extra bitch needs this, so I'm so happy. And this retails for $58, so that is no chump change if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself, so. Okay, so I just calculated the overall value of this box, like with my little calculator, you know, put it all in, and I definitely lowballed it with the $200 estimate that I put in earlier. Let me tell you that. The retail box, the retail value of the box this month is $350. And that doesn't account for tax, I don't think. So, damn. So you pay $50 and you get $350 worth of product. I mean, I'm not saying you have to or you need to, but if you know a good deal, you'd be a fool not to. And honestly, even if you just wanted one of these things, the majority of these single items are almost the price of the box. So it's kind of like, you wanted this one item. Let's say you wanted the Tarteist Pro Glow Kit, right? So you wanted that, that's $45. You pay an additional $5 and you get all the other things in this box. You know what I mean? I don't know, that's just me. Again, I'm not like an affiliate, so this is very unbiased. I'm just saying as a person, I think this is a good deal and it's a good way to get things and try things you wouldn't normally buy. So take it as you will. But if you are wanting to sign up, I will link links down below that can help you do that. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just saw there's one little thing right here. What? Why is there a straw in here? Let me look in the magazine. There's got to be an explanation for this straw. Okay, so there is actually no explanation for this straw in the box. It does say on the straw. I did a little investigative work deducing without it being written out for me, but on the straw it says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. And then I saw earlier, and I didn't like connect the two until right now, that on the outside of the box it says in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. So I'm assuming there's some sort of connection between FABFITFUN and the Wildlife Conservation Society. So that's super dope. Like, if you've ever seen the video online of the turtle that gets the straw stuck in its nose, it's horrifying. Like, I don't want to get all political or, you know, but the pollution problem is atrocious, and using non-plastic straws is very important. So I believe this is reusable or wooden so that it will, you know, deteriorate and not cause a problem like that. So maybe just think about it. I think that's awesome. Way to go, FABFITFUN, because this is important. This is important. All right, guys, and on that note, that completes this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would very much appreciate it. I see the numbers, I check all the time, and I'm like, this many people actually like me. Like, that's so dope. Like, so if you have stuck around, thank you. And if you're new and you're gonna stick around, thank you. Sorry, I can't speak. And again, of course, remember, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, there'll be a giveaway, and you'll have to be subscribed. So, free stuff, free subscription. So. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me, but if you want to hang out more, I mean, if you want to, you can just click on one of these links over here, because these are videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face right over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, so we can hang out all the time. And you could see Dudders, which he didn't come to hang out this time. Wait a minute. This is Dooders, you guys. If you've never seen Dooders dishes, baby Dooders. He is my pride and joy and the sweetest animal that has ever been born. Yeah, definitely. I think he has the soul of a person, I'm telling you, because he is such sweet, so sweet. So anyways, we'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out, and we say goodbye.